Welcome to Guided Meditation. Today we will explore and process sensations in the body. Begin by finding a comfortable seat or perhaps a reclined position. Let's start with a few deep, slow breaths. Perhaps close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow yourself to arrive fully and present in the moment. Direct your attention to your body. Notice any sensations that are present right now. No judgment, just observations. Take one step at a time, just like dipping your toes in the water to test the temperature. Focus on one area where you sense some discomfort or tension. Imagine you have a magnifying glass of attention, and with gentle curiosity, examine the sensation. Notice its texture, temperature, any movements or changes it undergoes. As you continue to observe, let your breath become your ally. With each inhale, invite a sense of spaciousness and acceptance into that area. As you exhale, allow any resistance or discomfort to flow out with the breath. Inhale acceptance, exhale tension. Take your time. Take it slow. Breathe. Don't force anything. Keep breathing, perhaps exploring other regions of your body and other sensations. Continue the same process. Acknowledge the wisdom of your body. Thank your body for being a vessel of your experience. Slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the rise and fall of the chest, or the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your nostrils. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and smile. Give thanks to your body for your experiences.